Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Google News app in your PC. Okay, so you have to open Google Chrome. So I'm just going to open Google Chrome, and then here you can see there is some dots. So simply click on some dots, and then this is the Google News. Okay, so simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see the Google News. This is the Google News app. But how can you bring this app in your home screen? So there are three dot. Okay, simply click on that, and you can save and share. So here and create shortcut and Google News, or also you can also install. And after that, if you minimize this, and here you can see this is the Google News app. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.